The journey to financial independence or substantial wealth often begins with a single goal, hitting $100,000 in investments. For many, this figure is the most challenging milestone. Why? Because it requires a solid foundation, patience, and some fundamental financial skills. So let's talk about why reaching 100K is one of the hardest steps in building a successful portfolio and actionable steps to make this milestone achievable. 1. Compound growth. The magic of investing lies in compound growth, where your money grows on top of itself. It's like planting a money tree. The earlier you plant it and take care of it, the bigger it grows over time. However, the compounding effect is less noticeable at lower amounts because the gains in the early stages are small and can feel insignificant. If you start with $100 and it grows by 10% in a year, you earn $10. But if you have $100,000 and it grows by 10%, that's $10,000. Compounding is now generating significant gains for you. Compound growth rewards consistency and patience because it needs time to snowball. It might feel invisible with small amounts early on, but the longer you let it work, the more noticeable and powerful it becomes. Start now, even if it's just a little, because time is the secret ingredient that makes compound growth work its magic. 2. Saving to invest, not just saving. Saving is a crucial habit, but for many, building wealth requires transitioning from a saving mindset to an investing mindset. Many people fall into the trap of thinking that simply saving money is enough to build wealth, but saving is not designed to grow your money at the same pace as investing. The transition from saving to investing is as much a mindset change as it is a financial one. When you save, your focus is on preserving what you've already earned. Investing, however, is about taking calculated risks to grow your wealth. Reaching 100K requires thinking beyond saving and making your money work for you. This means putting it into assets that grow, like stocks, ETFs, real estate, or other investment vehicles. Instead of waiting for a windfall or big earnings, make investing a routine. Aim for a certain percentage of your income each month. A habit of consistently contributing $500 a month can turn into 100K within a few years when combined with compound growth. Automating these contributions can make the process easier. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your investment account every payday. This approach eliminates the temptation to spend and ensures you're always moving closer to your goal. 3. Overcoming volatility and market fear. Volatility is unavoidable. One of the biggest challenges on the road to 100K is navigating the emotional roller coaster that comes with market fluctuations. The stock market doesn't move in a straight line. It's full of peaks and valleys. For new investors, these fluctuations can be intimidating, especially when the balance of your account takes a hit during a downturn. But the reality is that volatility is the price you pay for the potential for long-term growth. Without some level of risk, the returns needed to grow your investments just wouldn't exist. Many investors panic during downturns, which can derail their journey. So learning to embrace market volatility is a crucial skill every investor needs to learn. Stay the course. To get to 100K, you'll need to weather market fluctuations. There's no way around it. Having a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance, understanding your long-term goals, and keeping your emotions in check are key. Historically, the market trends upward over time, so those who stick to their plan usually come out ahead. 4. Automating and simplifying the journey. Getting your portfolio to 100K isn't just about financial discipline. It's about the creation of systems to make it easier to stay consistent. Automation removes the friction of decision-making and ensures you're contributing to your investments regardless of market conditions or personal distractions. Think of automation as your financial autopilot. It eliminates the need to constantly remind yourself to save or invest and ensures that you stay on track even during busy or uncertain times. Additionally, complexity creates hesitation, so start out with low-cost, diversified investments like index funds or ETFs. The simpler the portfolio, the easier it is to manage on the road to 100K. The more decisions you need to make about your investments, the more likely you are to procrastinate or make emotional choices. Automation and simplification reduce decision fatigue by creating a system you can rely on without constant micromanagement. Here are 3 ways to make it simpler. Set up automatic contributions. Link your bank account to your investment account and schedule regular contributions. Most brokerages and retirement platforms allow you to choose a fixed amount to transfer weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. For example, $200 a week automatically invested could grow to 100K in roughly 9 to 10 years with an average return of 7%. Use employer-sponsored retirement plans. If your employer offers a 401k plan with a match, automate contributions to take full advantage of this benefit. Employer matches are essentially free money that can accelerate your journey to 100K. Reinvest dividends. Choose investment options that allow you to automatically reinvest dividends. This reinvestment accelerates growth through compounding and ensures no money sits idle. Leverage technology. Budgeting apps can help track your spending, ensuring you have enough to allocate towards your investments without sacrificing other priorities. And modern investing platforms and apps can help make automation and simplicity easier than ever. Remember, the simpler and more automated your system, the more likely you are to succeed. 5. Celebrating small wins and staying motivated. Reaching 100K isn't an overnight accomplishment. It's the result of months or even years of consistent effort. Along the way, it's easy to feel discouraged by slow progress, bad market conditions, or distracted by other financial goals. That's why celebrating smaller milestones is so important. Each victory reinforces your habits and reminds you that your efforts are paying off. So instead of just focusing on the one big goal of 100K, break it into smaller, more achievable milestones and decide what rewards you'll give yourself when you reach them. Be careful though, celebrating milestones doesn't mean splurging or undoing your hard work. Instead, find ways to treat yourself that align with your financial goals. Between milestones, you may find yourself lacking motivation because progress often feels slow at the start, and there will be times when your growth seems stagnant, but you must push through these plateaus. Here are 4 ways to do that. Revisit your why. Why did you even set this 100K goal? Will it give you peace of mind, get you closer to buying a house, or set your foundation for retirement? Remind yourself of the long-term benefits this investment will give you. Review your plan. Sometimes small adjustments like increasing your monthly contributions can reinvigorate the journey and help you push past feeling like you're moving through sand. Who is this for? Whether it's for yourself, your family, or a future dream, connecting your 100K goal to a larger purpose can make the process feel more meaningful and less of a slog. Surround yourself with support. It's easier to stay motivated when you're part of a community of like-minded individuals. Join online forums, social media groups, or in-person meetups focused on personal finance and investing. Sharing your wins and challenges with others can keep you inspired and accountable. By celebrating small wins and staying motivated, you transform the journey to 100K from a daunting challenge into an exciting series of achievements. Remember, every milestone, no matter how small, is a step closer to your ultimate goal. Embrace the journey. Reaching your first 100K in investments is one of the most pivotal milestones in building wealth. It's not just a financial achievement, it's a testament to your discipline, perseverance, and ability to think long-term. Once you hit this milestone, the path to higher wealth becomes easier. Compound growth accelerates, your discipline solidifies, and your portfolio begins to work harder on your behalf. Learn as much as you can and remember to celebrate your progress, stay focused on your goals, and remind yourself that every small step brings you closer to financial freedom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, share it with a friend. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.